If more than half of your meals come from packages, today could change your energy, weight, and long-term health. In a few minutes, you'll learn what really counts as ultra-processed, the latest health risks, and 10 easy swaps you can start tonight. What ultra-processed actually means. Ultra-processed foods, UPFs, are industrial products built from refined ingredients, additives, and flavor enhancers, rather than recognizable whole foods. Think sodas, packaged snacks, candy, many breakfast cereals, instant noodles, frozen entrees, chicken nuggets, and some diet shakes and bars. A quick label test. If the first 5 ingredients are mostly refined flours, sugars/oils, plus additives like maltodextrin, gums, emulsifiers, artificial flavors, or sweeteners, you're likely holding a UPF. Not all processing is bad. Frozen vegetables, canned beans, plain yogurt, and simple whole grain breads with short ingredient lists are minimally or simply processed and can be excellent choices. Why? Health pros care in 2025 UPFs drive overeating. Even when calories and macros are matched on paper, people tend to consume more total calories on ultra-processed diets, leading to quick weight gain. UPFs linked to risk. Higher intake is consistently associated with more type 2 diabetes, heart disease, overall mortality, depression and anxiety symptoms, and poor sleep. Evidence strength varies by outcome, but the pattern is clear. UPFs dominate modern diets. In many countries, over half of daily calories come from UPFs, often high in added sugars, refined fats, and salt, crowding out fiber, protein, and micronutrients. 10 easy swaps. You can start tonight. Soda, sparkling water with citrus, or unsweetened iced tea. You'll cut added sugars and artificial sweeteners that keep cravings high while still getting the fizz many people want. 2 flavored yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, topped with fruit and cinnamon. You keep the protein and creaminess while ditching the stabilizers and excess sugar. Add nuts or seeds for texture. 3 sugary cereal, overnight oats, or muesli. Use rolled oats, milk or yogurt, berries, and a spoon of chia or flax. Sweeten lightly only if needed to train your palate back to less sweet. Long list white bread, short list whole grain bread. Aim for at least 3g fiber per slice, and ingredients you can read in one breath. Toast it with olive oil or natural nut butter for sustenance. 5. Deli meats. Rotisserie chicken, canned tuna, salmon, or a bean salad. You'll reduce nitrites and additives and upgrade protein quality with the minerals like iron and omega-3s from fish. 6. Instant noodles plus flavor packet, whole grain pasta with olive oil, garlic, and tomato. Add canned beans or leftover chicken for protein, and finish with herbs for restaurant-level flavor. 7. Frozen pizza, whole wheat pita pizza. Spread tomato paste, add mozzarella and plenty of vegetables, and bake for 8 to 10 minutes for a crisp, additive-light dinner. 8. Packaged cookies, 70% dark chocolate with a handful of nuts. You still get a sweet, satisfying finish with fewer emulsifiers and less refined flour, plus fiber and healthy fats. Diet shakes, bars, real food protein snacks. Try Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, edamame, boiled eggs, or homemade oat peanut butter balls to avoid sugar, alcohols, and fillers. 10. Bottled sauces, 2-minute sauces at home. Stir together plain yogurt plus tahini, plus lemon, or whisk olive oil plus vinegar plus mustard. You'll reduce gums, colorants, and hidden sugars. A real-life plate in 5 minutes. Fill half the plate with plants, greens, plus colorful vegetables. Add a palm of protein, fish, eggs, tofu, chicken, or beans. Include a fist of fiber-rich carbs, potatoes, beans, or intact grains. And finish with a thumb of healthy fat, olive oil, nuts, or avocado. Work in fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, several times per week to support the gut. Smart shopping and amp. Label rules make the rule of 5 your filter. If the first 5 ingredients are refined grains, sugars, oils, and multiple additives, pick a different product. Hit protein and fiber targets. Aim for 22 to 30 g protein per meal and 25 to 35 g fiber per day to stay full, support muscle, and smooth out blood sugar. Stock a fast lane pantry. Keep frozen veggies, canned beans and fish, pre-washed greens, eggs, quick-cooked grains, olive oil, vinegars and spices, so real food meals are as quick as opening a box. 1 week DUPF challenge, days 2. Replace all sweetened drinks with water, coffee/tea, or sparkling water. Days 3 to 4. Swap breakfast to a yogurt bowl or overnight oats instead of sugary cereals or bars. Day 5. Upgrade. Snacks to nuts, fruit, and a square of dark chocolate instead of chips and cookies. Day 6. Cook a simple home dinner like the pita pizza or beans and rice bowl with salsa and avocado. Day 7. Audit your pantry labels, circle additives, and create a short list of next swaps to try. Balanced. You don't need to be perfect. Just be a little less ultra-processed each week. The goal is fewer habitual UPFs that push extra calories and crowd out real food. Start with 1 swap per day, track how you feel, and let your energy, digestion, and cravings be your guide. This video is educational, not personal medical advice. If you have specific conditions or goals, check changes with your clinician or dietitian.